This one's like a blue with blue and red glitter. Karina, do you want to show them? Yeah, so that's what's in that one. I'm gonna show you them and then we'll like get them out. Even though we just showed you this one. Okay. So yeah. Then we got this one, and it's apparently called watermelon slime. I'll open up the lid. Whoa. It's like white with some beads. Well, white with some glitter in it. So, yeah, that's what that one is. Here. Hey, Karina, do you want to get out the next one and show them?
The next one they gave us dark blue slime with beads,
Next, they gave us another like lighter blue with no beads in it, and it's all sparkle, and I love sparkles.
The next one, they gave us a super, super fluffy blue slime.
Yeah, it looks so fluffy. Now the next one is, it looks like store-bought, but she said that she made all of them. It's like a clear purple. Sorry, it's a clear purple.
So they gave us, and then she gave us white slime with sparkles.
Of course, because we told her that we love sparkles.
We all love sparkles.
And then she gave us a medium blue, not quite dark, with beads in it. I love it still.
And then she gave us like a unicorn slime with blue slime with pink and purple glitter.
Then she gave us this one. It's like a baby blue with red and silver sparkles.
Then she gave us this purple slime that I love. And
she gave us two of them.
Two of these that also look like the same, that looks like a store-bought. And she put glitter in it.
Yeah. Okay, so let's get on with starting. And also some of the slime was leaking, as you can see. And yeah, but we don't care, it's good. We are going to start out with this tiny jar. I will get it out this one. I think we should have just started all over on the video. Do you want to start over on it? Since we kind of messed up. No. I think I am. I really want to. So I'm working on getting this one out. It's hard to. It's a little bit sticky.
This one is so pretty. It's like an American flag, like white, blue, red, glitter. It's so pretty, and it's so fluffy.
Okay, so mine's ready. It's this baby blue with red sparkles. One of my favorite colors.
And then now I'm gonna add.
As you can see, it's really stretchy.
I'm gonna add a little more red in mine.
Yeah, so she gave us some glitter so we could get it just how we wanted. And she said that this one farts, and it does. Yeah, and I love that.
I'm gonna add like so much red.
Can I get the next one? Okay, so the next one is this watermelon slime. Yeah. She said it's supposed to be like in the middle fluffy. It's actually not sticky. I'm gonna get it out. It's a lot of slime, as you can see.
And then in the ending, she's going to put music.
Yeah, and it's fluffy kind of. She said it's supposed to be like that. So yeah. Okay, now we're gonna get out like this blue unicorn slime. It's so pretty. I can't get it out.
Me neither.
So this one, guys, as you can see, I don't know if you can see it on camera, but it's a very pretty blue.
We kind of have a question. We want to know if y'all think this is store-bought. Make sure you leave a comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Which it may look like a purple brown in the camera, but if you saw it, So you know, at the end of this video, the person that gives us the 100th like on this video will get all of this slime, or the ones that they want.
Yeah.
I have the next one. Okay, so now is this purple one that she is showing you, if it was store-bought or what. But it has like these white sparkles on it. It's a clear purple slime. Very stretchy. And yeah.
And if it gets,
Here.
this one gets a little sticky, so
Okay, so next one, this one is a little bit sticky, so I think
we got contact solution.
so. We're gonna start by adding a little bit of contact solution in the bag, so it can like get less sticky in there, and we can actually at least put our hand in it, and that would be nice, wouldn't it, Karina?
Yeah.
So I've gotten it actually a little bit better already. I'm just working on getting it out, and so I got this one out. It's a really pretty, like, reminds me of like a baby metallic blue. Still a little bit sticky. So I'm gonna start by adding still a little bit more contact blend solution, and yeah.
So for my purple slime, I'm going to add glitter to it and some beads.
And I do think this one is a really nice slime, other than it's sticky. Okay, next is the blue one with beads. So it's like a metallic blue. It has some silver sparkles, which I personally love. Silver sparkles. Has some beads in it, and it's like a metallic blue.
She really loves mine.
Well, we're gonna share them.
Yeah.
Okay, so here you go. Okay, the next one is like a plain white one with blue and red sparkles. Which we are hoping not to get this one dirty. We actually only ordered a couple of them, then she gave us extras.
Yeah.
She wanted us to, what was our prize. You can see it's just like plain white. It's really pretty and I love it. So yeah, that's that one. Comment down below which slime is your favorite.
Yes.
Now we're gonna get into this big fluffy one.
Look at this slime.
Actually, we'll save that one for last, okay? So now we are gonna open this lighter blue. I wanna see it so bad. And actually it is a little bit hard to stretch. It's really pretty. Yeah. It has no beads in it. It's like a really pretty metallic blue.
Oh no,
yeah. Okay, now we are gonna share
Sorry.
So now we're gonna open this one. This is gonna be mine since she already got one of hers, and it's like a bigger metallic one with it's a darker metallic, and it's a little bit sticky here. I can't get it out. Yeah.
So this one's sticky.
How do you know? Because okay, and it's a really pretty blue, and yeah. Make sure you watch our next video because we're gonna be doing a slime smoothie.
Yes, we are.
Cause we love doing that. Okay, and I'm gonna open this one. So now we have another one of those ones that look store-bought, the purple ones. I love these personally. Yeah. I don't really need to show you that much of it because you've already seen the other one. And they're basically the same. Okay, now the last one. Oh, it's so soft.
And
baby
super stretchy.
and it's fluffy slime.
And it makes so much
She
puppy
said that
noise.
she used like a quart of the can for it. So pretty. And yeah, and make sure that you hit that subscribe button, give us a big thumbs up, and turn on those post notifications, and sure that you subscribe, and 1,000 subscriber, after the person that does the 1,000 subscriber will get to choose what we do for a day. And yeah, well, thank you for watching our channel. Bye, and remember to comment down below which slime is your favorite.
Bye!
Bye!